In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file an MTA lost item claim online. Losing an item while using public transportation can be a stressful experience, but the MTA has a streamlined process to help you potentially recover your lost belongings. Today, we'll guide you through filing a claim using the MTA's online system. We'll ensure that you have all the information you need to complete this process smoothly and hopefully reunite you with your lost item. To start, you'll want to navigate to the MTA's official Lost and Found webpage. You can do this by entering the URL www.mta.info/lostandfound into your web browser. This page is your gateway to all services related to lost items within the MTA system. Whether your item was lost on NYC Transit, the Long Island Railroad, or the Metro North Railroad, this page provides the resources you need to begin the search. Once you arrive at the Lost and Found page, it's helpful to know there's no cost associated with filing a claim. That means you can proceed without worrying about any fees during the process. The page is designed to guide you through locating the appropriate links for the service you were using when you lost the item. Let's say you lost your item on the NYC Transit. Simply follow the specific link provided for NYC Transits, which will direct you to the right form for your claim. As you move through the form, be prepared to provide detailed information about the item you lost. This will include a description of the item and details, like the color, brand, or any unique features it may have. The more specific you are, the better your chances are of the MTA being able to locate your item. Don't skip over any fields that ask for additional description. They are there to help narrow down the search. Next, make sure to fill in the date, time, and location you last saw the item. This information can be crucial in the search process. Even if you're unsure of the exact details, an approximate timeline and location can still be helpful, so give the best possible information you can recall. Before you submit your claim, double-check all the information you've entered. Accurate details are vital in increasing the likelihood of recovering your lost item. Once you're satisfied that everything is correct, go ahead and submit the claim. After submission, you should receive a confirmation, often by email, letting you know that the MTA has received your claim and will begin the search process. Finally, the most important part is to be patient. Recovering lost items can take time, and while waiting, check your email regularly for any updates from the MTA. They will contact you if and when your item is found. And there you have it. Filing an MTA lost item claim is straightforward and free, leveraging the detailed online system to give you the best chance of retrieving your belongings. We hope this guide is helpful and that you're reunited with your lost item soon. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tips and guides.